How to check your solid-state drive's condition and track its status if you're using an SSD on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's important to inspect your SSD regularly because if it's about to break down or approaching the end of its useful life, then checking and tracking your drive's condition can help you avoid a disaster later on. The steps are identical for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you have a special program from your SSD maker, you can probably track your drive's condition through that program. But if you don't have one, or if you prefer to use the built-in tool that comes with Windows 11 and Windows 10, here's how to do it. The system uses self-monitoring analysis and reporting technology that's included in the operating system, also called SMART. This technology tracks the drive's remaining life, mistakes, and other details. To do this, you need to use PowerShell. If you're unsure where PowerShell is or how to open it on Windows 10 and Windows 11, the simplest way is to go to your search bar or type PowerShell in your Start menu. Just search for PowerShell, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Next, you'll type in this command. It's pretty long, so I'll put it in the description for you to copy and paste. Just enter that command at the PowerShell prompt and press Enter on your keyboard. It'll take a moment or two. The results will show the name of the SSD and the brand. You'll see HealthStatus showing healthy and OperationalStatus showing OK. This means everything is fine with the SSD on this computer. If you see healthy under HealthStatus, everything is good. However, if you see warning, bad, or caution, this might mean the hardware is about to fail soon. In that case, it would be time to replace your SSD. The OK message means the drive is functioning correctly. Fortunately, on both my Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers, there are no issues with my SSD. I wanted to share this quick guide because it could help you in the future to track and inspect your drive's condition regularly. This is especially useful given the increasing prices of storage. That's all for today's guide. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your SSD running smoothly and avoid any unexpected data loss. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.